Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing subject that has captured the curiosity of many. Let's set the stage for what's to come. Now, let's ponder over a thought-provoking fact that might challenge your existing beliefs. To wrap things up, here's a surprising statistic that sheds new light on our topic today. Now, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned so far. It's quite fascinating, isn't it? How simple actions can lead to significant changes. Let me share a personal story with you. There was a time when I struggled with keeping a positive mindset. But once I started implementing small daily affirmations, everything began to shift. It's amazing how powerful our thoughts can be. I encourage you to try this out for yourself. Start small, maybe with just one positive thought a day, and see where it takes you. The results might just surprise you. As we wrap up, remember that the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you carry these insights into your daily life. Now, as always, please remember to like and subscribe.